Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? If dark circles are spoiling your reflection, fear not. Homeremedies are here to save the day. Dark circles can be caused by lack of sleep, heredity, stress, dry skin, an unhealthy diet, makeup irritants, and aging. But let's turn that frown upside down. Almond oil, rich in vitamin E, not only lightens dark circles, but also nourishes your skin. Gently massaging it over your dark circles before bed and washing it off the next morning can bring visible changes. Cucumbers, a powerhouse of antioxidants, can reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation around your eyes. Just replace cold cucumber slices on your eyes every 3 minutes for 20 minutes. Potatoes, natural bleaching agents, can also help. Place sliced potatoes over your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse with cold water. Rose water can calm stressed under eye skin and strengthen skin cells. Apply cotton pads soaked in rose water on your eyelids for 15 minutes twice daily. Tomato juice, with its natural bleaching properties, can lighten the skin under your eyes. Apply it for 10 minutes, rinse and repeat twice a day. Vitamin E oil, a dark circles nemesis, can be applied directly overnight, while vitamin E capsules can be mixed with coconut oil and massaged into the skin. Tea bags, especially green, chamomile, or black, can be used as a cold compress to lighten dark circles and reduce puffiness. Last but not least, cold milk, with its skin lightening properties, can be applied with cotton on your eyes. Remember, consistency is key. Say goodbye to dark circles and hello to a brighter, more confident you.